Hi guys, welcome back again on my channel today. If this is the first time being on my channel or first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Bukola and I film about skincare and bunch of every other stuff. And on Monday we do recap, we talk about answering questions and other things that you guys might have talked about or we might have talked about during the week. So today I have some questions here with me. I think I have 9 or 8 that I'm going to be answering today, just giving you guys my own best advice or my own opinion, and that shouldn't be your bus stop. You can still go further making your own research regardless of whatever it is that I say. I just want you guys to know that whatever it is that I say is my own opinion, is not a medical advice. You can always check more up yourself as well. So the very first question that I have here is, can I add body white oil to my face cream? I want to believe this person is just joining us because I can remember vividly around early 2020 I made a video about some serums that are safe for stay on and some serums that are safe for wash off. If you don't know what stay on means the product that stays on your skin, like your lotion, your oil, and your wash off are like your soap, your scrub. And yeah, adding body white oil to even a body lotion is not something I'm going to tell you to go ahead and do, not to now top of your face cream. That is very, very dangerous. Please, with the things I have seen, with the reviews I have about this particular oil, I am not giving you a go ahead to add it to your face cream at all. Not even a drop, not even one drop of it should be added to your face cream. There are other safe serum, there are vitamin C serum that you can add to your cream. There are other good tubes that can help you with your skin reaction or other things, and just don't add body white oil to your face cream. I am not giving you a go ahead at all. Body white oil, when used on the body, causes white patches and a lot of bunch of skin reaction. It even gives some people stretch marks. So imagine something as strong as that being applied on your face. I'm not giving you a go ahead on that. Please look for other options like of vitamin C that you can use and add to your face cream. The second question that I have here is this safe to take glutathione every day? Like I said earlier, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a pharmacist, and I think this drug, they have their grams, and I'm just going to advise you basically to see either a dermatologist or a pharmacist to tell you the gram you can take, you'll be able to take every day so you don't get overdosed, just in case you want to take glutathione every day. So I can't give you a definite answer. I'm sorry, I said it earlier, I'm not a dermatologist and I'm not a pharmacist. So the next question that I have here is, please can you tell me the product to buy for my dark spot on my neck? If you have dark spot on your neck, get the ordinary glycolic acid toner. You are not going to regret it. I'm not going to lie to you, the result is not immediately, but you are not going to regret using it because it's going to help you get rid of your dark spots, and you are going to give it a space of 4 to 6 weeks. You are going to be using the glycolic acid toner for your neck. If you know you have dark spot on your neck, you need the glycolic acid toner on your neck. You need maybe Tretinoid as well, but I'm not going to advise you to use Tretinoid with your glycolic acid toner. You can still use azelaic acid with that, and as well get SPF. But whether you're leaving the house or you're not leaving the house, add SPF, use SPF. Is really going to help you and it's not going to come back. So it's not about just getting rid of it, it's about getting rid of it finally and it's not coming back as well. So next question that I have here is this safe? Is it advisable for you to add avocado oil to your face oil? This still boils down to your choice. I've seen people use olive oil on their face and it still boils down to your choice. I particularly cannot use avocado oil on my face because I understand my skin and I know what I can use on my skin, so it still boils down to you. But avocado oil is not a bad oil. Avocado butter as well is not a bad butter, but people who are dark skin use avocado a lot. So if you fall into that same category as well, you can try, really try it. Where did you get your azelaic acid in Abuja? The azelaic acid that I reviewed the last time, I did not get it in Abuja, you guys. I got it in Kenya and I don't know where to get it in Abuja. But if you're watching and you stay in Abuja and you can literally just give us a place where we can get the azelaic acid, please do us a favor. You're not only doing this person a favor, you're doing myself a favor and other people a favor as well. So please share in the comment section if you know where we can get an azelaic acid in Abuja. Next question that I have is, can I premix CeraVe or Cetaphil with Fashion Fair tube? I bought mission for the Fashion Fair tube. CeraVe, a good moisturizer, Cetaphil, a good moisturizer, but adding Fashion Fair tube to it, I'm not going to advise you on doing that. It causes dark spot on the body when you stop using it. For some people, I don't know how it's going to react for you, but I've never really gotten nice review about Fashion Fair tube. Don't go near Fashion Fair tube. To your Cetaphil, they are moisturizers. I don't know why you want to mix them, but Regardless, I'm not advising you to use Fashion Fair too, because I haven't gotten real results. And I mean, people coming to me to tell me this is how this one works for me. I get it every day. I get review about products from you guys every day, which I'm very grateful for. I've never had any nice thing like that for Fashion Fair too. So if you know that you want to use Fashion Fair too all over your body, I am not advising you to use it. Even when being used on knuckles, sometimes it peels it off. Next question that I have here is, which product of Tretinoid do you recommend? I'm going to put the picture on the screen, and doesn't mean that this is the only one that you can use, you guys. This is just the one that I have tried, but you can use any other one as well. The one on the screen is the one that I have tried, and you can as well get it if you see where to get it. But this is not the only one you can try. There's a lot of Tretinoid. Me, I just don't like trying several brands of the same thing at the same time. That was why I didn't go for other ones, but the one on the screen is actually the one that I use. So if you want to buy it as well, it's fine, you can use it. It causes a little bit irritation for me when I started using it. My face was a bit red, and like it was as if I was seeing some dots, small things on my face, but along the line it was just clearing, and it's just my skin reacting to it basically. Next question that I have here is, which base cream can I buy for a yellow skin tone? Is Pure lotion good? I don't have a review, like a gallant review about Pure lotion, but I know Pure lotion very well, but I don't have a review about it because it's very common. It's almost in all skincare store, so I don't have a review about it. But if you want a yellow skin tone, why not use White Now lotion and use it at night as well? Because people have been saying, oh, I'm not using it during the day again, I'm using it at night for best results. So if you know you want to use a lightening cream and you want the one that is going to give you a yellow skin tone, still know at the back of your mind that you will need a moisturizer as well. So this can be used at night. I even love it when people are using some products in the morning and some products at night, because it makes you be committed to your skincare routine, and you are going to stay consistent since you are looking forward to the result you want to get from it. So you can always use White Now lotion for your base, and you can always use another moisturizer during the day when you're going out. And don't joke with your SPF. And I want to tell you people as well that when you're going out and you're exposing yourself to sun, you can extend down your SPF to your hand, your leg as well. It's really going to help you. This is just like a tips of some things that I do. I don't even leave the house sometimes, and I still extend my SPF down to my arms, my hand, and my leg. It really did help, and I'm just trying to share with you guys another trick that you can use. The last question that I have here is, can I add Glutathione Comprime to my Fair and White Brightening Oil? Of course you can. You can add it. I have someone using it together. You can add it, but it's going to brighten up your skin, just in case you don't know how it's going to react. This can literally brighten up your skin, and when you get to a point, you have to start reducing the quantity of Glutathione Comprime that you are adding, because you don't want to constantly go add on your skin. So know when to reduce and drop your measurements, and know when you have to relax and like split in between and not use the oil every day as well. All of these things are things I've talked about, how to properly use your products, and I hope this really helped. So thank you guys so much. These are all the questions that I have. If you have more questions for me, drop it under this video so that I will answer them in my next video next week Monday, so that we'll be able to interact with each other and your questions are going to be answered. So thank you guys so much for riding with me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please smash the subscribe button. If you have watched me to this point and you have not smashed the subscribe button, please, I'm begging, support this girl, and as well like this video to help my algorithm as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.